Abantu 16 nibo bahendera emishomo yabo hari Bishop Stewart University kandi omukoro gwo kubajweka gwaebemberwa Omuhwezi wa Mukuru w'Ihanga retired Major Jessica Alupo owashaba bakuru b'amatendekyero aha rurengo rw'ahaiguru okwebeembeza okucondoza sayansi hamwe na teknologiya.
The journey which you have started today is of great importance to the growth of our nation and the development of your families.
I want to begin by congratulating each one of you for reaching this remarkable point. You have demonstrated resilience and dedication, and we are immensely proud of what you have accomplished.
Ogona yaashaba beja baheze emishomo yabo kutandikira ha bintu ebirikukirayo kwetengwa omu byanga byabo ekyari kugira ngu ekintu kija kumaraho ibara ry'emirimo.
You should continuously reinvent yourselves to remain relevant by focusing on the needs of the people. You are encouraged to utilize the available opportunities and use your skills acquired to cause transformation.
This is not only a day of accomplishment, but a call to responsibility. Education gives you the power to transform your communities. Go out with a good name. Let your integrity, humility, excellence speak louder. Consider starting your own business or social enterprise. You can start small and then you can grow.
Twagambaho n'abamwe mu baheze emishomo yabo kandi hine batugambira.
Very grateful to God and the friends, relatives and my parents and the guardians.
Akora degree yange ya kabiri mukurebaho mu bya sayansi, mukurebaho empinda hinduka y'obwire.
Niyo mathematics agriculture kandi natunga degree obwe naheza kutunga abana babira by'inkweza batungeza degree.
Beri nashemerwa munonga abokuzwara degree yange ya kabiri ya Master of Science in Climate Change and Food Security.
Nkanye n'obundande muto nyino koreka abandi ekyakashatu ntwiro mu cyaro nkani nyenda ngunyore cy'abantu ngo noryo mu cyaro weekend kwe kwikana basa kugenda za hishomero ashome agari cyatunge abe nkaba batura ishomero full time.
Ogwa baguryo umurundo gwabera nagumwe Bishop Stewart University erikujweka beji ahabwa TV West in the era atiza.